With most grocery chains and business places shut down for Christmas Day, there's always a shopping center or mall open to take in those huddled mass of Christmas Day shoppers and hangout feeds wishing to congregate and celebrate. And with dark, threatening clouds hanging over and rain falling all day since yesterday, even more Filipinos in the mega city and elsewhere find more excuse to head out to the malls for cover and to celebrate Christmas Day safely and dry. Our Luisa Erispe tells us more.
Throughout the whole day of Christmas, the city of Manila experienced gusty and rainy weather. But because Christmas is the season of celebration and family reunions, the rain did not stop Filipinos from finding a place to celebrate in Manila. That is why some of them chose indoors instead of the usual outdoor public parks. Like Ali's family, whose original plan is to visit Luneta, but instead they went straight to Manila Ocean Park, a popular indoor and amusement hangout. Eventually, it turned out way better than expected because of the park's new surprises for children, such as the Christmas Village, where they can try new rides, and the Philippine Biodome featuring several animals.
Akala ko hindi matutuloy din, basta nga kami. Kaso para siyempre yung family maging masaya, pinuloy pa rin talaga namin. Maganda pa rin naman, importante naman yung mga bata
Besides the indoor parks, there were also a few who chose the safer and more popular option, a trip to the malls, like Shahira's family, who fell in queue as early as 9 in the morning on a debut screening of the Metro Manila Film Festival.
Mamamasyal po, kasama po yung pamilya ko, tapos yung anak ko. Tapos manonood po kami ng sine. Pag open kasi ng sine, ma'am, di ba maraming MMFF na entry, kaya maaga kaming pumunta rin dito, ma'am.
Outdoor parks still had a few visitors in Manila Zoo, where a few families pushed through with their plans.
Pag kinabukasan po, uwi na rin po kami. Kaya kahit maulan ngayon, punta pa rin po kami.
Hindi naman kayo nag-alala, baka magkasakit yung
Yun nga din po. May dala naman po kaming payong. Nag-ready naman po. Tsaka gusto na naman din po nila, kaya talagang pinursige na rin po namin kahit maulan.
According to the Manila Police District, several visitors were expected in Manila's parks and malls. Hence, the deployment of more than 1,000 officers throughout the city.
Yes, lahat ng mga places of convergence talaga meron tayong mga deployment dyan. Doon sa mga lugar na talagang maraming tao, meron tayong mga ibiniblend doon ng mga naka-plainclothes na mga police din natin para i-monitor yung mga iba pa na maaaring gumawa ng krimen.
From PTV, Luisa Erispe for Balitang Pambansa.